So now we're ready to practice the next movement, which is called the rolling spirals. We just learned the suspended spirals. There was a preparation to understand and experience that when you start rolling through the spine, you begin the movement at the pelvis and the sacrum. And it's a very natural movement. It's just the idea of training oneself to be able to perceive that you are not moving with the spine back as an extension of the spine, but you allow from the pelvis the spine to be able to roll through the floor. So I'm going to do the movement as it is, and then after the movement, we'll give you certain practice in order for you to find the easy way to support yourself with your arms and to find a comfortable place within the spine. Remember that you need to have a very cushioned floor because you don't want to do it on a hard floor. And that you are going to be able to really do it very easily because you already learned it through the suspensions and through the second section. So in the beginning of the second section. So remember that you can go there and check the movements. And remember that these movements of the fourth section are cumulative. What it means is that it's a crescendo of all the movement that you have learned. And all those movements will give you all the points of reference and all the feelings and all the connections that allow the spine then to move without effort and to be able to interconnect even more the spine, the arms, the legs, and the head. Okay, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to show you the preparation for this movement. And to make it easy, we're going to use the same principle that we had in the second section, that we're going to support ourselves with our arms as we go back in order then to allow to make it easy and that you feel like you can surrender to the spine as you're moving through. And then from the supporting of the arms, you will go to infinity and keep a little bit of a diamond in the legs as you extend. And then from infinity, since you have the diamond of the legs, it's very easy to roll around. And remember that the rolling one arm is coming to earth and the other arm is going around to heaven to bring you through it. And also remember that we'll talk to you about the angle in which your arms are placed in the side will determine how easy it is for you to roll through the spine. And then you know, just details that as you practice you will discover. So we're going to do now this easy version to be able to sense that you are not too scary to roll the spine without supporting your arms. So here we go. We start again in crisscross. So 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do the motion again, a little bit in a slow motion. And in order for you to see the placements of those movement at certain moments within the whole movement. And I think it will be helpful to see where my legs are and my arms are and so forth during the counts. Okay, so we'll start again. And 0.6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. And now 1, 2. So 2 is in between the rollings. 3 is the rolling. And I want you to notice that 3, as I roll, my legs stay in the diamond. So then 4 is my legs and my arms in infinity. So from 4 is easy. You see that the diamond in my legs and the height of the legs is easy for my lower back then, and my legs to adjust to the rolling. So as my leg adjusts, the rolling becomes very smooth through the movement, and then you get to the spiral. So again, the 4 counts is to release the legs and then going into a diamond. Then from here, 1 and 2 is in between. 3 is the diamond of the leg. 4 is infinity. Then as you're rolling and your legs and your torso rolls to the side, the legs can come a little tiny bit and they have play with it. Because remember that your legs are the lower back, assisting you either to coming within to roll, because if you go too much out, then the lower back becomes too pronounced, and then it's difficult to roll. So from here, from infinity, the rolling assists you to come back around to the spiral, ready to return through it. Yeah. So we're going to do the preparation again through the tempo. And I wanted to remind you that as you practice, you will notice that one side is going to be much easier than the other one. And in the beginning, when you're learning, practice that side until you feel comfortable. But then remember that the other side is just as important, because when the other side becomes equal to the side that is easy for you, it means that you're recuperating the directions of the legs, and certain vertebrae are really going into the same movement, into facilitating movement, and then the other side of the brain is becoming just as connected as the one that is easy and less familiar to you. So remember that through the movements, you are always equalizing all the directions of movement in order to equalize all the directions within your nervous system and the functioning of your brain. Okay, so here we go again. So we start in 0 point. This is the preparation, the practice. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 1, 2, 3, infinity. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3, and 4.